Good morning, Oh, no, I did not. Good afternoon, everyone. I already put my pot on, so and I already uh, opened up my cans and rinsed everything. My rice is a little hot, so I want to put that there. But today, today I had a feeling for some tomatoes, some rice, and some chicken. So we're gonna see what happens with this. This is diced tomatoes from the Dollar Tree. And this is chicken, and I'm not sure if it's from the Dollar Tree or Walmart, but I believe it's the Dollar Tree. But first I'm gonna put in some rice. No, yeah. I'm gonna put in some rice, and this is gonna serve me a couple of meals. I'm gonna put some bowls together, and I'm gonna drain this just a little bit, and I'm gonna put some crushed tomatoes. Ooh, that looks good. I might have to use it all. There you go. I'm gonna drop in some chicken. Of course, I'm gonna get it all out the can. Y'all already know me. And I'm gonna turn the fire down. But Coral explained to me that it's gonna go. There it go. It's going down now. But I'm gonna put the top on it. Oh, I'm gonna love this. I'm gonna love this. Ooh, there go the sizzle. I have to break my meat up, so I don't want you to say I'm be thinking, my meat has chicken breast has to be cut up, has to be chopped up more than that. Okay, I kind of feel like I need a little bit more tomatoes, but I'm not gonna do that. I think this is good enough for me. Just a little bit. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna let it simmer a little bit, but I'm gonna throw in some seasoning, and that's going to be some of my herbs. I like a little extra of the herbs. I meant to cut up my onions. Since I didn't do that, I'm going to put a little bit of onion powder in there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And we're going to top this off. And I will come back to you in a few minutes. Now it's time to check my little concoction here. I'm getting a little blind because of the steam. I'm going to add in a little bit of my my chicken. I think that's polo, whatever. I'm distracted because of the police. I mean the sirens outside. And I don't want to put a lot in there, so just a little bit. A little goes a long way. Wash my spoon. Ooh, nice. Rice is coming out nice. Ooh, look at that. It's drying up. It's going to be nice. Maybe I should turn the fire down a little bit. I don't want it to dry out too fast. I want the spices and everything to be in everything. So here it goes. Turn down a little bit. you're gonna find this strange. But my mother and I think my brother does too. Like the pot where it's brown at the bottom. My mother, I think she calls it pot something, but it's something from the islands that they call it. I love it though, especially if you make rice and peas with kidney beans and all that. Oh yes. Anyway, this is hot. It's time for me to have a little bit of taste. Yes. It is 2:01 p.m. and this is my first meal of the day. Oh wow. Perfect amount of seasoning. Perfect. And I'm not one for tomatoes. I'm not gonna lie. Even though I eat them. This is good. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is amazing. I hope you have fun with it. Anyway, when it's time for me to get to work with it's hard to get it on a spoon, boys and girls. You need a fork sometime. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video and look forward to more to come. Bye bye.